Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about how to place screw posts. When we design a 3D shell, the most common structure is the top shell and the bottom shell. To make sure they are fixed together securely, we need to place screw posts at the right position and fasten them with the screws. First, go to View, 3D Shell Preview to check the effect. Then click Place in the 3D Shell screw pillar and choose the screw hole position on the PCB. Make sure you align it to the center before placing. Once the screw post is placed, open the 3D preview again. To see it more clearly, turn off the unnecessary layers and just keep the top layer. Now, if we fold the view a bit, you will notice the screw post will just added. Next, select the screw post, and on the right panel, click Property to set its parameters. By default, the screw post has an M2 hole size, but you can adjust it to fit your needs. For example, the height parameter controls the overall height of the post. If we change it to 6 mm, the screw post becomes shorter. But keep in mind, the height needs to match the PCB thickness, so it doesn't interface with the board. For this demo, we'll keep the default 10 mm. Now, let's look at through hole diameter and wall thickness. It's recommended to leave this as default, because when you change the screw size, say from M2 to M3, the software will automatically adjust the hole size. Only in special cases, with non-standard screws, do you need to customize it manually. Next is the stiffener. By default, they are off, so the screw post is just a plain cylinder. If you turn them on, ribs will be added around the post to strengthen it and reduce the chance of breaking. Most of the time, the default setting works fine. Then we have the countable option. It's turned on by default, so you'll see a slot on the top surface. This makes it easier to insert screw from above. If you turn it off, there's no slot on top, and screws can only be fastened from the bottom. In real-world use, for the front shell, the one facing the user, we usually turn off the countable and enable the stiffener. This keeps it looking neat and also prevent cracking. On the back shell, we do the opposite, enable the countable and turn off the stiffener, so the screws can be inserted easily from the bottom. Just make sure the screw size is consistent on both sides, and adjust other parameters as needed. This way, the top and bottom shells are fixed together securely, while also keeping the design strong and visually clean.